Sea urchins, especially species like the red sea urchin Strongylocentrotus franciscanus, are fascinating because they seem to defy aging. Unlike many animals, they don't show typical signs of getting older, like decreased reproduction or weaker bodies. In fact, some of them can live for more than 200 years. Scientists think this is because their cells continue to regenerate throughout their lives, meaning they can repair damage and stay healthy even as they age. What makes them even cooler is that they live in environments where the water is cold, which may help slow down their metabolism, contributing to their long lifespans. And despite their spiky, hard appearance, they have soft, vulnerable insides that can regenerate after being injured. So, while they look pretty tough, their true power lies in their ability to keep on going, making them some of the longest living creatures in the ocean.